Now we are going to learn the numbers in English. And in this lesson, we will learn numbers from 0 to 10. Let's count together. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do it once again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now that we know all these numbers from 0 to 10, we can talk about phone numbers. If you want to know somebody's phone number, you can ask, "Hey, what's your phone number?" "What's your phone number?" Or what is your phone number? And that person can say, "My phone number. My phone number is 225 303. 225 303. Remember that we use 0 when we count 0, 1, 2, 3. But when we say our phone numbers, we use O. 303. 303. And remember my phone number 225. We can say 2, 2 or double 2. Double 2.